Good evening. I'm Mr. Bynum, principal of Pine Trail Elementary, and I'm excited to welcome you and your family to Open House. Open House is always a special night, whether it's your first or your sixth. This is a night you get a peek inside your child's classroom and experience what it's like to be a kid again. I hope you, yourself, have fond memories of your days at school. Our pioneers have been working very hard each day, and we are so proud of how much they have grown in just a few weeks. Thank you for choosing Pine Trail Elementary and entrusting us with your children each day. As we continue to move forward, please make sure to keep in contact with your child's teacher, and if you should have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me here at school. There are three areas that I keep at the forefront of each day, and first is safety and security. We want you to know your child's safety is the most important. We practice drills, create a safe environment where students can learn, and have a school guardian on campus to secure the grounds during the day. Safety is the first on the list because we want our pioneers and their families to be only concerned about learning. We appreciate your support, and if you should have any questions or concerns, again, please contact me. Second, social and emotional well-being. We are also concerned about the social and emotional aspects of school life. We would all agree that the skill of socializing is a byproduct of school. We learn how to share, stand in line, and work well and play well with others. Our PBIS system, or Positive Behavior Interventions and Support, teach these skills to our students. Positive behavior is a learned behavior, and we want to capitalize on this to help our pioneers continue to build a caring and kind community already here in place at Pine Trail. Third, the curriculum. I assure you the curriculum we are teaching in is world class, and the benchmarks are high for students. The benchmarks are intended to have students think, reason, and use evidence to support their answer. For example, students are expected to know and be able to demonstrate why their answer is correct. This standard of thinking is hard work. However, we have faculty and staff that can stand and deliver so each student will learn. From special area, ELA, math, science, and social studies, our students will be challenged, and every adult on this campus is here to support their learning. Finally, this evening is about taking a trip back in time when you were a kid and seeing what your kid is learning. Perhaps some of you are former pioneers, and this is a special treat to come walk the halls one more time. I hope you and your family enjoy this evening, and I look forward to a great year. Thank you again for your support, and have a pioneering evening.